What if you learn one new bioanalytical technique every single week for the whole year? How would that really help you? You'd know 52 new techniques by the end of the year. And you'd grow as a scientist, you'd be more well-rounded, you'd get better job offers, and you'd build this immense skill set that you could apply throughout your scientific career. Hey guys, my name is Carter, and I'm a PhD bioengineer. On my YouTube channel, you're gonna learn one new bioanalytical technique every single week. And all you have to do is just subscribe to the channel. So far, we've already talked about electrophoresis, SDS-PAGE, isoelectric focusing, and a whole ton of other topics. Just click the red subscribe button and let's get started. Let's build great things together. Happy sciencing!